Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is this? Jam. Yummy. Jam. Do you like jam? Yes, I like jam. Jam. Jug. 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 Jet. 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 Jam. What is the initial sound of the jam? J. Jam. Jug. What is the initial sound of the jug? J. Jug. Jet. Jet. What is the initial sound of the jet? J. Jet. Let's learn how to write this sound. Go down, curve, lift, dot. Look at this picture. We have to match this sound with the picture. Let's start. Seahorse. J. Seahorse. Oh no. Candy. J. Candy. Oh no. Jug. J. Jug. Oh yes, it is. Nest. J. Nest. No, no. Jam. Yes. J. Jam. Then match the sound with the picture. J. Jam and J. Jug. See you later with the next letter, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.